today's election of Deputy Sarpanch, where Sanjana Kurgaonkar has been elected unopposed as a Deputy Sarpanch of Parra. The two ladies have to see, that is Sarpanch and Deputy, both are ladies, woman empowerment. And they have to see that the village Panchayat Ghar completes in another 4 months time. And in that community hall for the villagers of Parra should be done, and a free Wi-Fi facility in the Panchayat with a good library, that is e-library, with at least minimum 10 laptops should be provided to the youth and students, so they can come and browse, download with all the other facilities, whatever is there, should be given to the students in the village Panchayat. And in that library also good books can be kept. People can come, whoever have got books and want to share knowledge, they can come and display their books, and they can write on that, this is given by this person, this family, to the village Panchayat for the students to study. So in this way I think we can do a lot of good work and knowledgeable work, educational work, where village Panchayat can take a big role. They have a big role to play. And especially I have also requested the village Panchayat to identify a land on the main road to set up a women's bazaar. We have declared one women's bazaar to be coming up in Kalangut. So another women's bazaar can come up in Parra, where they can sell. A lot of Indian tourists come to Goa and they want to buy cashew nuts, which is very famous in Goa. Kokum syrup, cashew nut and all the other products. They take as souvenirs from it. So that woman empowerment, when we talk about woman empowerment, rural development, Department of Rural Development can build this woman bazaar for them, for the villagers of Parra, and all the ladies can join hands under one banner and sell these products and keep the money in the bank, and they can go on rotating this money, plus all the ladies can stand on their own feet. So in this way other villages also will follow. So this is a touristic belt. A lot of Indian tourists and foreigners go to Mapsa from this road. So this women's bazaar will help economy of these self-help groups and women empowerment in a big way.
Today I would like to thank our Minister Michael Lubu and our Sarpanch Jalala Lubu for showing trust in me, all my village Panchayat members for showing trust in me and electing me as Deputy Sarpanch. With the help of Minister and with the help of Sarpanch, I would like to do all the works which are on priority basis and try to finish within my term. Thank you, sir.
Special meeting of this Panchayat Parra is held to conduct the business of election of Deputy Sarpanch of Parra. 7-member Panchayat, all the 7 members were present. Only one nomination form was issued for the post of Deputy Sarpanch, that is Sanjana Sanjay Kurgaonkar. She was proposed by Alex D'Souza and seconded by Kamla Ningurkar. So she elected on the Deputy Sarpanch of village Panchayat Parra. MB Parwar presiding officer for election of Deputy Sarpanch Parra.